Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to participate in the ongoing Toggle Airdrop. It's very easy, it's not stressful, and it's user friendly. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like the channel. It helps the channel grow. Now without further ado, let's get into it. A disclaimer: please, this content is for educational purposes. Please endeavor to do your own research. So guys, this is the web face, or let me say this is how the site looks like when you go in for the first time. I'll put my referral links in the description below. Click on it and then start farming as early as possible. So all you're going to do is, when you come to this, is to click on sign up. So it's going to pop up this. So I'm going to quickly fill up with my information. So let me choose a username for, let me say, a Sammy, and let me put up my password. Okay, sorry. So yes, let me confirm my password. Now here is where you're supposed to put up your referral link, your referral code, if you have any. So now you now click on register. Okay, so my username has to be in small cases, it cannot be in, so we put it this way, and then we click on it, register, to see. Now the sign up toggle has been successful. Please verify your email address, which is very important because it's the key for them to actually confirm that you are actually so I'm going to quickly confirm my email address that they've sent you on my phone, so that I can be able to proceed and continue with the registration. So let me check. So it has been here, so let me quickly click on it to verify it. Yes, I'm still verifying. Correct. So the verification has been successful. So all I need to do is to go back and then sign in, because I have. So I'm going to just go back, and then automatically, since I have saved it, I'm going to continue using it. So I'm going to just logged in. Yes, so I'm going to sign in. So guys, this is how the web page looks like. It's very easy. So as we can see here, your voice, our future, these are just easy tasks that you can do for you to be able to earn you. You can take a survey here. What is your occupation? These are just few other things that you can do actually to help you boost in terms of the um the um the points that you'll be mining. So as we can see here, you come to this place that says connect device, so you click on it. So this is where it's going to pop you up for you to download the extension. So you click on it to download the extension. Guys, you can use either Chrome, because actually I'm using Microsoft Edge as my browser, but you can use any other browser. You can use Microsoft, and it's still going to work out. So the Edge has already been done, has been listed, has already been downloaded. So if we come here, if you click on here, you see we are going to see it here. Here it is, the toggle extension. So I'm going to go back here and then click on it, so that I'm going to be able to connect me to it. So I'm going to click on it. So this is it. So currently now I've started mining, or will I say I've started already. Currently now I've started farming of it, because once I did this, it has already connected the device automatically. It has already connected the device, so I don't need to download it again. So there's no need for you to actually press on it, because the most important part of it is just this the extension here. Once you've already done it, automatically it will start farming for you. So it's as easy as possible. And then guys, remember, once you refer a person, automatically you are getting 20% from that referral. So try as much as possible. It's not a criteria, it's not a mandatory, but however it helps you grow more on your in terms of the farming activities that you are doing. And as we can see, you can come here that says reward, click on it. So here is going to show you the rewards that you get as a result of what you do. How you interact with the dashboard. It's very easy. It's very as easy as it can be. And so here you can take a survey. Now, this is just it. So first of all, it's asking you what is your occupation. So you can choose anyone. Are you a manager, a writer, a marketer? So for example, let me go with I'm a marketer. See, that's all. Once you did it, automatically they gives you a point. So what tasks do you frequently perform simultaneously while using web tools? So you select the all that applies to you. I am good with email communication, and then I do document editing, spreadsheet analysis. I do design and graphics design. So let me choose all of this one, and then I put up next. Select all that applies. Correct. So my has already been submitted. So each question now, if I answer this question, if I tick based on what I take, automatically is going to give me plus 200 points. So which browser do you primarily use? Is it Google Play? Me, I'm using this one, so I'm going to tick this one. That's Microsoft Edge. What industry are you in? Are you into IT automotive? So I'm going to go with IT and information. Then what application do you frequently use in your work? So let me see. So let me go with this one. I'm going to put next. Says please specify the most repetitive tasks you've done at work and document you use. So you can just type anything here. Anything you typed automatically is going to gives you, irrespective of either you finish up the question or not. So long you answer the next questions, all it takes is going to keep giving you the points that you are, because currently now you are currently farming. So long that your device is connected, there's no. And so please specify the most repetitive work. So let me put documentation. Documentation using drop list or Dropbox rather. So I'm going to click next. Imagine you have an employee. Which tasks will you delegate them to do, depending on what the available tasks at hand. So you can just type anything because it's a survey, it's not a mandatory. It's just asking you what you ask them to do, and that's also. Can you please provide an example of Web3 tool that significantly enhance your workflow? Please explain how it happened. So these are just simple things that you can do. You can just actually do. So that's just all. So as you can see now, currently, if you look at it here, if you see here now, I currently have 1,251, and then daily is 1,551. This is just as based on this one. Actually, it's talking about referral. So if you go back to your dashboard now, see, it's still showing the same thing, because what you saw in your referral is what's going to be stimulated, it's going to be referred here. And remember guys, you can take as many questions as possible. The more you take the questions, the more you get these ones. Now all of these things that you get here is as a result of the survey that we actually carried out. And then as we can see here, this is where your note is, because we've actually um we've actually um opened the toggle extension, and that's why we are seeing this one that is showing, because currently we are farming the their points. So guys, this is just a simple tutorial on how to carry it out. Please guys, don't forget, you can always take your tutorial, your survey here. It's very easy. Just answer based on what you know and you'll be getting points. And even if you didn't take the survey, so long you've already activated your Google extension, the toggle, automatically it will be farming for you. That's all. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment so that it will help the channel to grow. Don't forget, I will leave my referral link in the description below. Simply click on it and start farming. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye for now.